This moment of human kindness is sponsored by Dignity Health. Hello, human kindness.
The 16 veterans on Honor Flight 38 are on their way back to the West Coast after the trip of a lifetime. 23 ABC's Danielle Kern has more on their last day in Washington, D.C.
Good evening. That's right. Our third and final day here in our nation's capital was filled with peace. Last night after dinner, many of these veterans spoke, saying that they were reluctant to come here because they didn't feel they deserved it. They told me today that that's changed. They said after seeing how many people came up to thank them for their service and shake their hands and see how Washington, D.C. welcomed them here, they're very happy they came. Our day began at Arlington National Cemetery to view the changing of the guard.
Everyone remain solid and standing.
400,000 veterans are buried here. It was a somber experience filled with honor and respect. From here, we drove to the Air Force Memorial, which was built in 2006. It was World War II and Korean War veteran Bob Otto's first time seeing it.
Just being on it is an honor. Tremendous. Great. I like it. Felt it was my turn. 97 years of age. Not too many years left.
The last memorial we visited was the Marine Corps War Memorial. And just like every other stop we made on this trip, a group of students on their field trip paused to shake hands and thank the veterans on Honor Flight 38.
They grew them taller.
And our final stop before the airport is right here, the Air and Space Museum, and it really was the trip of a lifetime for these veterans. Organizers are encouraging everyone to head out to Meadows Field Airport tonight at 8:30 to give them a big welcome home. In Washington, D.C., Danielle Kern, 23 ABC, connecting you.
We welcome them all home, guys. You did a great job there. BC